We are painting 10 different winter scenes using 10 unique ideas. This is the third painting in this series. I'm sure that you will enjoy painting this winter scene. Before starting the painting process, I sticked masking tape on a waste watercolor paper. Now on the masking tape, I'm drawing the trunk of the tree. I drew 3 tree trunks over the masking tape. After drawing, I cut those trunks using scissors. Now I'm peeling the masking tape and sticking over the watercolor paper. After sticking the masking tape, I'm drawing the horizon for our winter landscape. We have sticked masking tape because those are birch tree trunks, which are white in color. Next, I'm wetting the watercolor paper above the horizon. Also, I'm ready with cobalt blue color in my palette. Next, I'm tilting the board by keeping the masking tape under the board. We are going to paint a gradient sky that is from dark value to light value. I have loaded cobalt blue on my brush and I have started painting with it. After few strokes, the color gets light and it forms a gradient effect. I'm going to do the same process one more time. Again, one more time, I'm painting the gradient sky. This is because the watercolor gets dull after it gets dried. I want the sky to be bright in blue color. In this third time painting process, my brush is holding lot of blue color, so I'm cleaning my brush in water and then I'm going over the lighter area. This creates a neat gradient effect. Using a damp brush, I'm removing the excess water that is collected near the horizon. And also don't forget to remove all the excess water collected near the masking tape. Next, I'm adding distant trees using green color which is mixed with little amount of violet. I'm applying this green using wet on wet technique. Yes, that is The paper is still wet. Next we are painting the shadows that fall on the snow. Assume that there are objects that is at the right side which are outside the watercolor paper. So we are going to add shadows for those objects in our scenery. After that, I allow the paper to dry completely. Now my paper is completely dry. I am removing the masking tape. I used indigo to paint these shadows. For this painting, I have assumed that the sun is at the right side. So the right side of the trunk is left as paper white, which is because of the light falling on the trunk. I'm adding dark color to the left side of the trunk. To paint left side of the trunk, I'm using cobalt blue mixed with little amount of orange. Next, I'm adding dark spots that is seen in birch tree. I'm using Payne's gray to paint these dark spots. Next, we are going to paint the shadow for the tree using indigo color. Now I'm drawing a cardinal bird and painting it with red color and black. Next I'm adding some weeds using brown color, and also I add shadows for weeds and also for the bird. At last, add branches to the tree using Payne's gray. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.